Goa politics, because of BJP's misrule, people of Goa are suffering like anything. They have a panic even in eating their own food also, because of the formalin issue, and so many issues are there. They have their own fear, psychosis, whether I can eat this food or not, like that. Lakhs of the people are lost their jobs. Government is not bothered about them to relocate them, to give them the job also. The Congress party always says, yes, we want to restart the mining. So now, Chief Minister, he is looking after his own personal this thing, and he is not, the total governance has failed in all the aspects. Our Congress activists, they are very confident in winning the 2019 Parliament election.